Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So I just didn't get you. What's your resolution for the new year?
I don't have any resolutions.
Uh-huh. So you just let it go the way it is.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Fine. All right, Chaitra. Do you know what you're learning today?
It's something computer related because my mom told me that you're a computer teacher.
That's right. And just not that, we're going to have lots of fun. It's just not about computers. We're going to be good friends too. So
Okay.
yeah. All right. It's just not about computers. It's about being good friends and having lots of fun.
All
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Okay. So let's get to a PPT. Well, so am I sharing?
It kind of says, yeah, you're sharing now.
All right. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are going to deal with sequences and conditionals. Okay. So how well do you know sequences, Chaitra?
Not that good.
Not that good. Okay, no problem at all. So let's get into knowing sequences and conditionals. Okay. Right. So first thing is I have a simple question for you. What do you do when the doorbell rings?
I go and answer the door.
Okay. So you go to the door and do you like quickly open the door?
Yeah.
Really? You don't check who's there?
Yeah, I don't check who's there
Yeah. Hmm.
because if I'm not supposed to, because I'm either not supposed to open the door to anyone or I'm supposed to open the door to everyone.
It's the usual thing that you do, a real time thing that you do when the doorbell rings. What do you do?
Well, usually I just answer the door.
Yeah. So
And
you just, huh?
if I'm upstairs, I just see in the balcony who's there.
Okay, fine. So now it's about you going and opening the door. So then what do? You actually have some steps to do when you have to go and open the door. So what about that? What are the steps that you follow?
Um, I turn the doorknob and I open the door, I guess.
Okay. So you here to the ring and then you go like you said you upstairs, you go downstairs and then you peep into the hole and see who's there because you can't just open the door for anyone who's not known to you. So
I
you
can.
just you
Uh,
can.
yeah, I open the door to people who are not known to me if my parents are in the house.
Okay, in the home. Okay, well, now I think this can also be something that you could develop to just see who's there and just know and open the door when you know them. Okay, like when your parents are in there at home, like consider the situation then. Okay, so there are some steps that you actually follow. You can't just open the door and then check who's there, right? So if your parents are in there, then it can be dangerous, right? There's one um, certain sequence or steps that you do to open the door. That is, you go, you have to like see who's there in the hole, peephole, and then open the doors. You just check the knock and then open the door, right?
Yeah.
So there's one certain sequence that you follow, and if the sequence don't go well, if they are like swapped or they're not followed in a certain step, that can actually cause some danger to you. Don't you think so? If your parents aren't there at home, especially.
If my parents aren't there at home, I don't open the door to anyone, even people I
Where?
know.
Oh,
Unless,
really?
unless
Okay.
it's the maid or the cook.
Right. So they are somebody you know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But
that's
only them. Not even to
yeah.
my friends or my relatives or anyone.
Okay.
I just
Mhm.
open the door like a peep and ask and tell them that my parents aren't there and to come back later.
Very good. That's again one step that you follow if your parents are in there. So there is one sequence of steps that you follow when the doorbell rings. And for anything you do, there is a sequence that you follow. See, for example, you get up in the morning and you want to go to the school, there is one sequence that you follow. What is that sequence you usually do when you
Morning
want to go?
routine, I guess.
Hmm?
You brush your teeth, you take a bath, you eat your
Exactly.
breakfast, and
Yes.
go in the
Yes.
bus.
That's right, absolutely right. So that's like a sequence that you follow to actually get things done. Now let's see how computer follows a sequence and what are the sequences that we do with code.org. Are you familiar with code.org, Chaitra?
No,
Well, that is also a coding platform. We'll get to know that. Okay.
I open that.
Yeah, we will. We'll go to that very soon. Now, let's just quickly know about sequences in a little more detail and we'll get into that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, when more than one command is given to computer and in order to achieve the aim, it's termed as sequence. Like now, the aim is to maybe go to the school on time. You have certain, procedures or instructions that you follow. Like you have your day, to be followed in the same way to reach to the school on time, and that is a sequence. So, very similar to that, computer also follows or it also has to have a sequence to do certain things or to achieve a name. Okay, so when you give more than one command to computer and then to achieve a name, it's called sequence. Now let's quickly know what is a command. What do you think is a command?
Like you can tell the computer to add 2 plus 2. That's a command.
Perfect. Perfect. Command is like you tell the computer do something and it's like an instruction. Okay, it's an instruction that you give, to be very precise. It's an instruction that you give to computer. Computer will do that work. Okay, now let's get into the coding platform to understand command sequences. Okay, so
Okay.
here is that. I'm going to first open this and show you, and then I'm going to share the link with you in the chat, and then we can go ahead and do that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Here you go. Can you see that again? Can you see my screen again?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
All right. So we got to get two nectar and make two honey. Okay. Now this is your coding platform. Let me like quickly introduce you to this coding platform.
Oh,
Okay.
I did.
This.
I
Mhm.
I remember this. I think I did it once before. But I did it
Uh-huh.
with Minecraft and not this.
Oh, get it. Okay, no problem. Let me just quickly introduce you to this platform. This is your play area wherein you have your puzzles. Okay, and the play area has two buttons called run and step. Run is you click run, and whatever is there in the workspace just runs around one by one. And step is it goes stepwise. Okay,
What
it
do you
goes
mean
step.
stepwise?
Okay, I'll tell you that. Say I have two commands. I'm just clicking step. Just see what happens. Just one step.
Okay.
Okay, so it's mostly used to change, or if you're like stuck in between and you don't know if you have gone the right sequence, you're doing it in the right way, then you usually use step. So you go one after one to actually know if your code is the flow of your code is right.
Okay.
Okay, so run quickly runs all one together, but step is stepwise. Okay, it just goes one step, so you have to click on step again to go to the next step.
Yeah.
Easy, easy peasy.
Yeah.
Great. So now this is called a command. Okay. And now, yes, this is your play area. Let's get to this. Now, instructions. Okay. For every, puzzle that you have, you would have an instruction here. Okay. You have to read to understand what you have to be doing. And this instruction says get two nectar and then make two honey. Okay. This is your instruction. You can call it a hint to do this. Now, like I said, the instructions that you give to computer are in the form of blocks to you now, and here they are. Okay. Now you decide what you want to do, what is that you want to get the computer do, and depending on that, you start giving commands from here.
So should I do it in the website that you're going to give it to me?
Yes,
Link?
yes, you're gonna do that. Okay.
Okay.
And this is your workspace.
So I should
Okay.
just tell you when I'm done, right?
Yes, you're gonna share screen, and
Okay.
I'm gonna check if you're doing it right, and we'll do it together.
All right.
All right. Yeah. And this is your workspace. All right, your workspace is a place wherein you give commands, and they have to be joined below when run like this. Okay,
Yeah, got
all
it.
your commands one after the other, and if you don't need them, you're just going to put them back like this. When you need them, you're going to get them back. Okay, and that's
Oh,
it about the platform. Easy platform.
yeah.
Great. Okay,
Can you
so I
just
call.
give me can you just give me a minute? I need to plug in my laptop.
Sure.
Sorry, the charge was running out.
No problem at all. I understand.
Did you share the link?
No, haven't. I think we'll first do the first activity. I'm going to just demonstrate the first one to you and then I'll share the link. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now I have directional blocks here in my commands, and this is my bee. Okay. My bee has to reach and has to get the flower. Okay. She's to get the
Okay.
flower and then she makes honey. That's how it works, right? You have to just get flowers and then make honey. That's how the bees do. So here I have two flowers, or I can call it nectar, and then I have two honeycombs. Okay. So first I navigate, I go north, I go east, and then I get two flowers. Then I go east again and then I go south. This is to navigate, and then I make two combs. Now, there is a sequence that's followed here, Chaitra. Without that, it can't happen, right? The sequence, if it's reversed, so you first go east and then you go east and then make honeycomb, that doesn't work. There's a sequence, it's a fixed sequence that you have to follow to get this bee collect nectar and do the honeycomb.
Okay.
That's it. So more than one command, you call it sequence, and this is one such puzzle. So to continue, I'm sharing this with you, and you will start doing that.
Okay.
And that's a very easy one. It's in the chat. You just have to, click and open. I'm gonna stop sharing.
Okay, I'll share my screen in a minute.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, I'm share screen. Oh, it says
Oh,
host disabled participant screen shared.
oh, okay. Well, I think that I have to give. Okay, 1 minute. Making you the host. Yes, Chaitra, I think now you can share screen.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes. So read your instruction and start get into the activity.
Okay.
Wow, good job. Fantastic. Now we'll move to the next one. Continue.
Okay.
Get two nectar and then make two honey.
Oh, it says I used 10 out of my luck.
Yes, I also think so. Anyway, you can click run and see where things aren't working.
Oh, I went too far.
That's right. Great. Good job. We'll do some more sequences.
Okay.
Great. Good. Okay. So, Chaitra, click continue, but then you go to 10th one here. The same
Like,
activity. Click continue. On the top, you see you're on 8th now. Okay. You're on 8th. It's popped on
oh
8th.
yeah, yeah, I can see
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. So
Should I
just
click?
move no, 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 no. Just click on those dots and click on the 10th one. You're on the 8th dot. Click on the 10th.
So
Yes,
should I
click.
click on this?
Yes, please. So yeah, go ahead, make this.
Okay.
Great. Good job. Well done. Okay, let's get to some more interesting activities. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Great.
So what should I
So
do?
yeah, so we're gonna do the next one. All right. So mm, 1 minute, Chaitra. So I think you have to now make me the host.
Yeah, I'll just make you the host again.
Yes, so that I can share. I will. We can go to the next interesting activity. Okay, so that's about sequences. So, Chaitra, if you now want to define sequence, how would you do that?
Um, wait a minute.
Sure, sure. You can just change me to the host and then we'll.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
go
gonna
ahead.
do this. So,
Mm.
sequence is like a routine you follow in a certain order,
Mm,
and if you don't follow it in the correct order, then it's not the correct sequence.
that's right. Or you can, in terms of computer, you could say more than one command that you give to computer to achieve an aim, then it's called a sequence.
Yeah, but
Okay,
I
because
didn't think you were talking about only computers.
all right, okay, fine. So sequences in terms of computers, then we would say this. Fine. So now coming back to this, let's know about debugging. Okay, which is another very important thing to be doing when you're coding. Here are a few steps to grow a plant. I've just put up the steps. Can you just tell me if the step is right? If it's not, then tell me what's the right step.
No, it's not the right
It's
steps.
not the right steps. Okay, what is the right steps then?
Okay, so the second one is first, the
Hmm?
first one is second, and the third one is correct.
Third one is correct. Great. So steps to grow plant are to sow seed first, water plant, and then eat fruit. Correct.
Yeah,
So here's a mistake in the sequence that I have. Correct. There's a mistake in the sequence,
yeah,
and mistakes in coding terms are called bugs.
yeah,
Okay.
I know.
You know that? Great. And correcting the mistakes is called debugging. All right.
Yeah,
So what we're going to do today is debug few mistakes. Okay. So we'll do one thing. I'm anyway sharing it. So I'll just open that. You find out the mistake and tell me, and I'm going to correct that. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Now the instruction says look for bugs in this code. Will the scratch reach the icon or is there a problem?
Okay, let me
Okay.
just see it.
For some reason, this isn't moving. Give me a time. Give me some time.
Okay, it's
Mm-mm.
not gonna work. Um,
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
no, I mean it's not going. It Scrat is not going to be able to even go
Mm,
to the right, go to the left because after move forward, right
mm,
turn. So then
mm.
he turns right and then moves forward to the right, and he won't be going anywhere because there's no space after that.
That's right. That's right. So yeah, if I just click run, you can observe there's a problem here.
Yeah,
There's a bug.
he's going to just walk into the wall.
Oh, yes, perfect. So let's review the code. Let's check where we're going wrong. So we gotta know that this is something that's not working. So I have to like oh, not able to edit this, Chaitra,
Um,
because
I think you're not allowed to edit it.
uh, okay, okay, that's because I gave a wrong option here. Anyway, that's okay.
Okay, I think it's B. I think it's B.
It's B. Yes. Okay. Now let me do this. Yeah. So yeah, use the blocks in the toolbox to build your program. Get the scratch to the icon.
All right. So he moves forward 4 times,
Hmm? Four times. Okay. And then
and then he turns right.
turn right. Okay.
He's facing left right now, isn't he, right?
Yeah. So you should actually be thinking in terms of the scratch here, and not you are not going to your right or left, but to the scratch right or left.
Yeah, but he's facing left, right? Because that doesn't really look like a squirrel when it's that small.
That's right. That's right. Yes, he's looking to his towards his right.
He's looking towards his right.
Hmm. Yes, he is.
Okay, then when so after when run, put a turn right over there.
Mm. Oh,
Just
okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. I think this is
yeah.
absolutely
Okay,
right.
never mind. He's facing left. He's facing left.
Correct. So there's actually a problem with this link. I had a bug, and then that bug isn't working. So
Maybe I should try. Can you send me the link?
yeah, I think I should send you the link. Just give me a second.
And you kind of don't need to make me the host. You just have to press on security and then go to share screen and put a check mark.
Mm-hmm. Okay. For some reason that link isn't on. Hmm. I get the problem. Just a minute, Chaitra.
Okay.
So I got the link, but that I'm not able to open that. So I'll just check if I can get the link somehow because I have it in my projects. It will just take me some time. It's not this. Yeah, I got some. Okay, well, I'm going to give you a totally new code to debug. One minute, just a minute. Yeah, here's the link.
You sent the link?
Yes, I think, yeah, I'm
I
pasting it
don't.
now in your chat.
Yeah,
One
sure.
minute. Yeah, yes, done. So this is for you to click run, check the sequence. The sequence has gone wrong, and that's why the picture is in the way it is supposed to be. We're gonna
Okay.
fix it.
Do you want me to share screen?
Yes, yes, I want you to. So I'm just gonna make you the host.
You don't have to make me the host actually. You can just press on that, shield kind of icon and just press share screen on that. That will allow me to share screen.
Really? How do I do that?
Can you share your screen once?
Yeah. Okay. I did. How do I allow you to do that?
Oh, I see Propala has started screen sharing. Okay, never mind. I see it now. Okay, so you know that security thing next to participants, right?
Yes. Oh,
Press
yeah.
on that.
Okay.
Then press on share screen.
Okay.
Okay, now I can share screen.
I'll
But you
stop
have
it.
to stop first. Okay.
Yes. Oh, great. That was quite easy then. Yeah. So you just click run so I can see, I can tell you what exactly you have to be doing. Yeah. You
Oh,
can see that the flag is inverted and you got to get that right. Okay.
that was
Remix.
quick.
Okay. So you remix, click on remix because you cannot edit if you don't remix it.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So what do I have to do?
You have to find out the bug here. You have to see why the flag is inverted, where is the sequence going wrong, and then get this fixed.
Okay. Where's the step button?
Oh, well, the step isn't there for this lab.
Okay.
Okay, well, I can give you another way to get this fixed. Just below run, you have a slider that has two pictures, a picture of rabbit and turtle. Get it closer, turtle. So it slowly goes. You can understand where things are going wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I saw the problem now. Okay.
Hmm.
So he's going down too many steps. He only needs to go down twice.
That's right. That's right.
So what happens if he does this? Wait,
Don't get all of them back, and that's not called debugging. You just have to fix the mistakes. So see where he's making mistakes. Why is that he's going down and then starting to draw a line? Or should he just, after coming down, should he just go up and then draw the picture completely? I mean, draw
okay.
the flag. So that's a clue.
I'm just seeing the code so I can see where in which step he
Definitely.
messed up so I can change that.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me do it from the beginning again. Do you mind if I mute it?
Do you want to?
Yeah, okay. He's messing up in this step, I think. Wait,
Okay.
he's drawing this one, then jumping down. Okay, no. He's what? When did he do this step?
Okay. Chaitra, you
Okay.
want a clue?
So this is wrong. It should not be repeated 5 times.
Okay.
It should only be repeated 2 times or 3 times. I'm not sure. I'll run the code and see if two
Sure.
times.
Okay. Perfect. Well done. That's it. Good job.
Okay.
Okay. Now I think I'm going to give you another one of the same kind. Okay. Well, this
Okay.
is to debug a boat. A boat is just like, inverted and sinking. You're going to get the boat to go well.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm
So
going to,
you're sending me another link in the
yes, it's in the chat.
okay.
I'm sending it in the chat. Yes. Go for it. Wait, are you able to access that?
Um yeah, I can.
Okay, great. But I can't see that. I think you should close this and share that one.
Yeah, I paused sharing so you can only see that one.
Okay.
Wait. It's saying this.
Mm. Okay. I'm gonna fix that and give you the right one. Just give me a second. Just a minute. Yeah, seems like it's gonna work now. Checking back again, Chaitra.
Okay.
Just check if it works now. Yeah, I think it'll work probably now.
Yeah, it's working.
Great. Remix again and we get started.
Oh no, wait. This is the same thing. Never mind. Never mind.
No, 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 it's not the same.
Okay, I'll just put it slow and watch it.
Sure.
Okay, so he's not supposed to go down.
That's right.
Where is he? Is he's going down here?
So remix,
Uh,
remix if you want to edit it.
what is remix? Okay. No, he's not. Wait, I have to see. Um, okay, he's not supposed to. Wait, let me watch it again. Okay, so I just have to remove this block.
Okay.
There's something else wrong. I think I can
You
get.
you can also add some if you want to.
Yeah, I'm just seeing
Sure.
what else is wrong. Okay, I just have to remove these two blocks and done. It should be proper now. Yeah.
Perfect. Good job. Well done. Okay, so it's time. You can stop sharing. It's time to get to the next important concept, and we are done with debugging. We just understood
That's
what.
conditionals. Is conditionals next?
That's right. Great.
Conditionals are if and else, right?
Perfect. We're gonna deal with ifs, okay, and we're gonna solve some interesting puzzles with if.
Okay.
Now, yeah, I think now that you've already known, just like let's do this small activity. What would you want to do if you grow as tall as a giraffe?
Um, I would, mm, I would buy a house, construct a shelf so
Mhm.
high that only I can reach it, and then brag to everyone about it.
Okay. Okay. That's okay, fine. You can do that. Now, if you have a magic carpet to fly, what would you do?
Mm, I would never waste money on airports again.
I know. And that would be so easy for you to travel around the world, right?
Yeah,
You wish you had all of these?
yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
not
wish
not the
too.
first one. I don't want to be as tall as a giraffe.
I know. But I think the magic carpet is a great idea.
Yeah, the magic carpet is good.
Yes. Great. Okay. So now we know that conditionals means, like you already said, it's if, but more than if, you got to know, understand that decisions and everyday tasks are bound to conditions. So it means if it is X, then you do Y. Like, say, for example, if you're thirsty, you drink water. If you're hungry, you eat food. So everything that you do has an if to it. Like you do certain thing because you have something, some conditional attached to it. If this is that, then you do something, right? So
Yeah,
just like us, computer also make decisions based on conditionals. So that's how important conditionals are. So going forward, you also will get to create interesting apps with conditionals. But to start with, let's see how well you are with your conditionals. Let's see how well you know to apply conditionals. So let's get started with this activity, and maybe then we'll go to this. Okay, 1 minute. I'll open this, and you gotta like guide me get this, okay? Oh my god. Yeah. And to do this, first thing is, yeah. Now you see that the bee has to like get to the flower, okay, and has to collect nectar. But then we don't know how much of nectar the bee has. Okay, so we have a relationship that you're going to apply to this. That is, if the bee has like nectar greater than zero, then you're going to collect it. Okay, anything which is more than zero, we want that nectar. Okay, and then we are going to collect it. So here's the condition that says if nectar greater than zero, get nectar. Okay, I'm going to
Okay.
just click run. Go for that, and that's it. So there are many places where you can, apply conditionals. There are many things where you can like avoid conditionals. So just let's just get into this activity and see. I'm going to share this with you. Now that you know conditionals already, Chaitra, I think you can start from seventh activity, because you see that the first two are like very basic ones, and I think you already know what they are, so I don't think
Yeah.
you need that. Okay, so you can
Okay.
start from the seventh one and do till the 14th one. Okay.
Okay. Can I share my screen while I do it?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. Let me just open the tab and then come back to Zoom and share it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the fourth there. I think you can just go to seventh, click on the dot, count three dots from the fourth one, and then just click on the seventh one.
Okay. Wait. It got minimized. Um, the seventh one, right?
On the top, yes, like you're in 10th.
Oh, I accidentally went to the eighth one.
No problem. Yes, I think eighth also is good to go. All right, yeah.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Um,
Great.
should I add make honey at the end?
Mm-hmm. It's about nectar first. Well, that doesn't work. It'll give you an error because you don't see honeycombs there, so you can't make honey.
Oh, you can't make honey.
Yeah.
Oh, I accidentally put turn left.
Right. Great. Okay, go ahead. So you see, we didn't have to use if there because we knew that there were four flowers. Yeah, now how do we do this?
Um, where's if block?
You have it at the bottom.
Oh, okay. It was just getting covered by the.
Mm.
Wait.
I think you could have used the if, I mean, if the repeat block instead. No? Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. I have to turn left first.
Okay.
Oh, here it is.
Okay. Yeah, it's right till there, but then you have to just again continue.
Oh, I forgot to put a left.
Mhm.
Wait. So it ends here. Turn left. Then repeat. Move forward 3 times.
Hey, Chaitra, you didn't use get nectar inside the if.
Oh, why is it
Wait.
hap? Why is
Okay,
the
wait, wait, wait. Replay. There is another smarter way of writing a code here. Let's get into that. Now you can see that after you turn left, you are actually repeating a pattern. You turn left, you move forward 3 times, you check if the nectar is greater than 0, you get nectar. You again turn left, you again repeat 3 times, and then you check. So I think those commands can be just replaced within a repeat block.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Wait, let me put in a.
no, no, no,
Wait,
no.
let me put this
One minute.
inside a
Yes,
repeat block.
that's right. Even the turn left, because the turn left is also inside the repeat block.
The turn left also is
Yes,
inside.
yes.
Okay,
And
done.
and you see, we don't need so much of blocks. You can just take out the second turn left out.
Yeah,
From there, everything is out, and just repeat it to. No, you can take that out. Everything is
again.
out. Yes, and repeat it 2 times. Okay, you see the entire block two times. The entire block that says turn left and then says repeat, move forward, and check for nectar is done twice. So instead
Oh,
of doing that many number of times again, you just repeat it two times, and it's much easier. You can do that with just 11 blocks.
okay.
Okay,
I was thinking of doing that, but I didn't know how to do it
no
properly.
problem. Yes, reset, run. Great. Okay. Now let me tell you a way to get to this. Okay. Before you solve a problem, you will first check for patterns. Okay, you see the first one has three move forward, the second and third has just, I think the first one has four move forward, the second and third has three move forward. And the condition to check is also same. Turn is also same. And then you know you just have to repeat it twice.
Okay.
Okay, super. You go to the next one now. Puzzle 9. Yeah,
Okay. This is easy. Move
mhm,
forward.
great.
Okay. How many are there? Five.
Great, well done. Okay, now continue.
Okay.
Hmm. Now this. There's a lot of things happening here.
Um. Right. I think. I think it has to turn right.
Chaitra, if you want to move forward twice, why do you think you
Oh,
have to?
sorry. I did this by
No
accident.
problem.
I wish you would start at zero first and not one.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's just one. Okay. Um, I insist you try what happens if nectar equal to one.
If it's equal to one, then it will take it because if so, the nectar might be more. It might be like two,
That's right.
right?
Great.
Equals to one.
Yes.
I wish there was greater than equals, and I could just change um, then I could
Yes.
just change the equals to greater than equals.
Correct. Yes, we have that in some conditions, but for this puzzle, that's not designed so. Okay, let's see.
Okay. Wait, I'm not done. Let's see. Turn left again. And eat. Okay, now just run it and check it for patterns.
Yes.
Oh, wrong
Oh,
side.
yes.
Oh, I
You
changed
changed
the
the wrong
wrong.
one.
Oh, this one is right, and then this one is no, no, this one is right,
Hmm.
and this one is right.
Okay. Perfect. Good job. All right. Okay. So you can come back now. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just like have a quick recap of whatever we did so far. Okay. Yeah. So what do you think about conditionals now? What are conditionals according to you?
So conditionals are like if you do something,
Hmm.
there's always a consequence for it. Like
For it.
if
Yes.
you ring the doorbell, the sound will come in the house.
Perfect. Good job. Yes, that's about conditionals. Let's do a quick recap of whatever we learned. Let's learn that or know that in terms of coding. What are commands?
Commands are like telling the computer to do something.
Great. What are sequences?
Sequences are like ordering one or two or more commands that were given to the computer.
Okay, in an order. Okay, in order to achieve something. Yes. What is debugging?
Debugging is like removing the bugs found in the program.
That's right. Fixing the bugs, you would say.
Yeah,
What are conditionals?
conditionals are like if um,
Great. Okay, so you would say conditionals are decision makers because they help you make decisions according to the consequence. So
they're
that
kind
is
of like they're kind of like booleans.
yes, not always booleans. You also have some other conditions too. While you we proceed with more of conditionals, you get to know about other conditionals too, other than booleans. When well, that was the class for today. So before we like end this, tell me how was the class?
It was really interesting.
Interesting. Okay. So what is challenging?
Um, Nothing really. I mean, I guess
Uh-huh.
the debugging was a little bit challenging at first because it was going at rapid speed. Like,
Yes, that's right. Okay, so you already have the link with you. I think you have done till the 11th puzzle. You can continue and do more. Okay, and there are more about conditionals. You can just explore them.
so till where should I do?
I think you have the link of the B sequences with you, right? The last link that I just gave you. Well,
Wait,
even when
let
I
me
end,
save the chat so I have the
please.
link. So
Yes.
the first one is the first one. Should I complete those ones? Should I complete the ones?
Yes, yes. All that's pending, you can complete them, not a problem.
So
Okay.
all that
Yes.
are in all the
Link.
lessons. Yeah.
Yes.
When
You can
should I finish it by?
maybe next time we meet.
Which is
I'm not sure of that. We'll have to schedule that. Okay?
okay. Bye.
All right then. Bye bye.